Samson Dauda, the Nigerian lion, the master. What does it take to build one of the biggest physiques in modern bodybuilding? Is it just heavy weight? It's elite genetics or something much more difficult? Showing up every single day, even when nobody is watching. Today we are following on a full day in life of Samson Dauda from first meal to final workout. This isn't just about muscle, it's about discipline, sacrifice, and mindset that has turned into one of the most feared competitors on the Mr. Olympia stage. Let step inside routine that separate champion from everyone else. Most people wake up thinking about work, school, and checking their phones. Samson wake up thinking about recovery without chasing massive lift. He know the body needs fuel. Every meal has purpose. Every workout needs purpose. His massive arms. Every meal has a purpose. Nothing is random. Nothing is eaten because it tastes good. His breakfast is built around the chicken, beef, lots of protein, carbohydrates, chicken eggs, rice, oats, and similar clean foods are common because they are provide energy without slowing the body down. To many people, it looks massive. To Samson, it's another brick to wall he is building. That one of the biggest lessons from the professional bodybuilding. Champions don't chase excitement, they chase consistency. As the morning continue, another meal arrives. When he going to mall to buy most of the chickens, beefs, and eat 5 or 6, even 7 times. Not because they hungry at all time, because their muscle is extensive. The body needs a constant supply of nutrition and recovery from brutal training session and maintaining enormous amounts of muscle mass. This is it like a monster. Very few people can eat chicken and rice. Look massive for the his chest abs and his Olympia battle on stage. He's been in Mr. Olympia 2024 and it become the Nigerian lion first time. Finally, it's time for gym and eating. The atmosphere changes instantly. Music gets loud, the energy rises, and Samson become completely locked in. Every repetition has purpose. Heavy weight, heavy eating for calories, approximately 10,000 calories per day for Mr. Olympia and many bodybuilding competitors. That's why experienced bodybuilder focus on technique just as much strength. Perfect from protects and joints while placing maximum tensions exactly where it needed. It one reason Samson physics stand out on standing and posings because of eating. He is eating chickens daily in meal and work hard for his muscle being filled with blood. Waves become more visible every rep burn. This is point where many people quite champions don't because they eat daily meat, protein, and carbohydrates for his body. That doesn't mean ignoring pain and risking injury. It's mean pushing the big discipline while respecting proper technique and recovery. That is difference between training hard and 18. After leaving the gym, the workout isn't finished. Recovery become next mission. Another high protein meal. Rest because muscle don't grow while you lifting weight. They grow while you're recovering from them. This is one of the biggest lesson in fitness industry. Training creates the stimulus. Recovery creates result. What makes sense and inspiring. It's just incredible size. Is the discipline being that size? The meal nobody adopted. The workout nobody see. The early morning. They repeated routines day after day, month after month, year after year. That's how champions are built, not overnight, but one meal, no one workout, and one discipline decision at a time. So next time you see Samson Tauda standing or eating like a beast every day because he's a beast for